Hi guys, in the meantime a week has passed and let's see if ArcoLinux changed their code for the better. So it is always a development and it always takes time, and people do all of this between the hours and not really the job, right? And so from time to time you do a git pull on the code of, in this case, github.com, ArcoLinux Arcoinstall, and you see if something changed. And then we need to compare again and see if the latest code, the newest code of Arcoinstall does work. Now, to be safe, we have a development version or a nemesis in GitHub. But in this case, I've made two branches. So git branch, have a look and see what happens. Git, well, fish, this is fish, right? This bash thing, it's not bash, it's not ZSH, it's fish. And the advantage is git what? Tab, git add, git apply, git archive, git blame, and gradually learn a little bit about things, right? But what I need here is the branch, list create or delete. And if it's already created, then I can check out a branch. So if we have git branch, like this one, we have development and main. So at this point in time, I'm looking at this thing, right? Arcoinstall dev from our website, which has the 20 desktops, not 13 was it? On Arch install, right? Few more. Then if I want to keep this working, the main working, I better do a switch. So git checkout, not main, but development. And things in here change. Basically, it's a branch like a tree, so it's a different content, right? Folders might be different, but content of files will be different. Click. We've changed to the branch development, and now it becomes interesting, right? Now I need to check out, this is the latest Arch install pull. So super F5, compare with melt, one level up, one level up. This is the other guy. In my workflow, that's always to the left. This is me, and that's always to the right. We compare, we do super F. This is GitHub stuff, I don't care. So here you see actually how many more things we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 extra desktops that we have that Arcoinstall does not have. Okay. And the awesome things, we have our awesome, and the BSPWM, we have our BSPWM, etc. We've changed it a little bit. So this is not the thing I need to look at, although I am going to look at it just to have a look if there is something new they have not added, but it's not critical because I don't see anything that is critical. It's nothing changed really, but there might be a change somewhere in here. So this one is gone here. Well, it's here, but it's already inside this one, right? In a long list. So we install a lot more to get a functional system, not a minimal system. So okay, buy desktops, that's our thing. This is just, yeah, follow the guys, right? Follow the developers. I don't know, it's a Pi script here, Pi code, and the only thing that changes is the Control H rather the Control question mark. So fine, done, changed, right? Types Pi, some changes here, the same changes basically. Save. Flake 8 is just a reference. I have more references, so I ignore more errors, more things that give these curly red things that I don't want to see. So I've added a few. README is just README, and build ISO is ours. So I'm guessing that's not gonna help with the problem we're having, but I don't know, right? We need to test that out, but it seems that it would be a bit too soon to test it out, and I would be wasting my time. But anyway, we've updated Arcoinstall with, well, the official one, right? That's the official one. Now I have the official one here, since we are in the branch of development, and this is what you get, the Arcoinstall. So I develop on this thing, and I can check out again, right? What are the differences in here? So this is different, this is different. Didn't see any changes on these guys. And the installer mirrors as a problem, so we'll just wait till they fix it. In the meantime, we keep the old code. That works. Hence the two branches, branch development, branch main. So if I switch, this may be a good tutorial, good example. If I say git checkout, and I go to main, on this one, right, these guys are out. Well, actually, I should go again and put it online. Let's first put it online so everybody has it. So up dev is switch to the development and put it online. Basically, we are 2024, and then 12.13 code from Arcoinstall. Voila, right? That's the latest code from 10. And then I can go and forget about the development. Probably not gonna work, solve my issue that we have now. Git checkout main. We're back, right? Not a lot changed. It's not like, wow, all things changed, but it is changed. So if we go back to this one and say compare now, we see actually it's all gone, right? The changes that we just saw are gone. And this is just for me and some dot files, which are unimportant because that's the development thing. I'll just keep them out in the official one, right? And the README is just README. The only difference is that it's development here. So there you go. Basically, content of the video was whatever you follow, whatever we're talking about as a GitHub project, you need to git pull, compare what you get, change it, test it, push it, maybe package it if you're becoming an ISO builder, creating your own distro. Then you have something to build, right? Package build you need to make. But the Git branch is also interesting. Have a look at the explanation. Ask artificial intelligence, explain me what Git is, what Git branch is, what Git checkout is, etc. But there are very cool websites online, so keep an eye out for the first 20 links, I suppose, and see what you can learn about it, because that's now done, right? I've chosen now to really make a branch and wait until Arcoinstall fixes whatever issue comes along. But in the meantime, the old code works, and they need time to develop, of course, right? So we'll be patient, and this ISO will just build itself if we type sudo. He's so polite enough to tell me, oops, right? Type sudo. So there it goes, building the next ISO to put online in a few moments time, and you get not that much difference. I see maybe a different kernel or something like that, but Broadcom and AMDU code are new, that's for sure. And 6.12.4. So whenever you build an ISO, yeah, you get the latest packages. That's Arch, right? Arch is always the last version. And where is the version coming from? You decide where the version is coming from. And mirror list. The packages are coming at this point in time in line 1. Mirror Osbeck, which is Sweden, gives me the packages. If that one is down, goes to the next one, which is again Osbeck, goes to the next one and next one and next one, right? So that's it for me. This is the workflow that I do regularly on this project, Arcoinstall. If you have anything else similar, that's what I would do. Cheers.